In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create an old CRT-TV vintage effect that makes your footage look like it's playing on an old analog television. This style is commonly used for retro edits, flashback scenes, or VHS-style visuals. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for Tint. Drag and drop the tint effect onto your clip. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel and map the colors to black and white. This removes the original colors and creates a classic monochrome TV look. Now let's add some grain. Go back to the Effects panel and search for Noise. Drag the noise effect onto your clip. Increase the amount of noise slightly. This adds random grain across the footage, which helps simulate the texture of old television signals. Now let's add the signal distortion. Search for Wave Warp in the Effects panel and drag it onto the clip. Open the Effect Controls panel and adjust the wave height slightly. This creates subtle bending in the image, similar to analog TV signal distortion. Decrease the wave width so the distortion appears smooth. Then adjust the wave speed to create slow movement in the distortion. This makes the image look like an unstable TV signal. Play the clip and fine-tune the settings until the effect looks like an old vintage CRT television broadcast. And that's it. You've successfully created an old TV vintage effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.